Now this is a Caravan that we're getting ready to do the engine on. I got my helper on it. He said, I want to do it by myself. I want to do it by myself. Now there's some things he's doing that I normally wouldn't do, but I told him to take off whatever you need out of your way to make you feel good. So yes, he's got the compressor off. All right, so I never would take the compressor off. So we got the horse ready. Now here's the baby that is going in. Okay, yes, it came with a freaking cooler and everything. But let me show you something real funny. So I was still debating how I'm gonna take this thing out, either from the top or from the bottom. So I'm wondering which way should I do it, which way should I do it. So I decided to go to YouTube. Guys, I put in a search bar how to replace a motor in your car 3.6 Pentastar, and guess what video popped up? Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all recognize that fella? Yeah, that is a younger JT. That's me. Yeah, guys, I got on YouTube because I knew I had done one before. I can't remember how I got it out, from the top or the bottom. According to this video, JT the car guy back then, figure you might want to bring it out the top, buddy. All right, that's funny. Yeah, well, right. You got one right here. You got 3, 5. So we're gonna put the engine under some tense pressure, jack it up to where it's holding up, and then take this part of the mount off.
Right here, just on the side?
Yeah, come on up some if you want. Because remember, you're about to take the only thing holding the engine to the car. So take your impact and take these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take those off. Now you ain't gonna have nothing supporting it at that point.
Oh, so
yeah, go get. Huh?
These on takeoff?
No, not this. We taking it off from the car. Yeah, go get your 15 and your impact.
That'll be a fucking berry.
Pick the mount up off of it.
Hey, yeah. Something like
It's getting deep. It's getting serious. All right, now you just stuck. Now you just got to break it loose from the. Unless you ain't got them all off. You can't have them all off. Which one did you forget? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hold on.
Sorry, got the ones over on the side. I should have gone those. I want to do. My guy.
What you saying? It's just stuck?
Yeah. Basic.
Give it a little shake and see what it split up. If you're 100% sure you got all the bell housing bolts. Dude, you must still have one attached. You sure everything off at the bottom? I looked. I did check.
I double check too, but.
All right, where's the big pry bar? All right, something's still holding this sucker on. I can't see no bolts, no bell housing bolts. All the torque converter bolts are. Look at that.
Oh, there you go.
Hold on. Now we got to scoop forward. That's why I was telling you to take that damn pressure. And you have a jack under the transmission to hold the transmission up. So you can hold it. We got to pick the transmission up so we won't be clashing with it. Yeah. Now let's give us some room sideways. Alright, do your thing. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Make sure everything clear before you start jacking.
Oh, yeah.
How you look? Nothing binding. The shield out the way. You don't want to bend the shield. Technically, in reality, you should have this hood off, but since it's not just you, I can pick up on it as you. Okay, you got room to come forward. See these? I hope you don't spike that radiator. Man, you should have a cardboard box in front of that radiator to block it, because the clearance is gonna take you to come from back there to up here is gonna be crucial. Oh. Bro, yeah, I don't like this. Let's get these studs out of here. Yeah, let's get these studs out of here and put a cardboard box in front of this radiator. Last thing we need is to, because you can barely kiss that radiator and it just start pissing on you. All right, start checking it. Ooh, this gonna be a tight fit. What is that? Is that brake booster line still hooked up or something? Ooh. Ain't she pretty? Look at her come up out of there. The hood, we just let the hood all the way up. We don't have to take the hood off.
Nah, yeah, I know.
Ain't she pretty? Told you guys, no big deal at all. Where you going with it? Over there?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can do like you did last time?
Yeah,
Cause I don't think the new engine got an oil pan on it. Or a freaking front timing cover. So we gotta take the timing cover off. Let it down some, man. Just don't hit the car. So if you're gonna set it on here, yeah, we're gonna turn it around, face it. But again, you're unable to. That's good, cause you don't want to be up too far, cause you want to be able to get the set it as close to the end as possible.
Yeah,
Remember, this cover got to come off. You got to transfer the cover to the new engine. Yeah, start coming down. Ain't she pretty? Oh, man, we gotta get this flywheel off. Flex plate. Excuse me. That's a flex plate. What's the difference between a flex plate and a flywheel?
one is for money, one is for.
Hey, what the fuck? Where you learn that at?
That's cool, man.
High school. Whoa.
Whoa.
It ain't going. Whoa. Dude, man, I'm glad this is a junk engine. All right, now come down.
Oh, come down?
Yeah.
Not coming down.
I mean, it's on you. You got to put this to where you'll feel good taking this. I mean, that rocking like that, you gonna feel good taking that cover off?
Man. As long as it doesn't rock too much.
It's about to fall now.
I think that, yeah, I'm gonna just put like.
Hey, whatever floats your boat.
I just hope if I leave it.
We gotta, you see, according to this, we need the valve covers off of here. We need the look flex plate off of there, and we need the front timing chain cover off of here. In this box, right here, and you gotta bolt this cooler down. In here should be the bags for the timing chain cover. It's already in time, so we're not really too concerned about that. No, you can see that fresh built oil pump down there.
Oh yeah.
So, but don't worry about getting that out until you get this disassembled. And look, don't forget, what's this?
It's camshaft sensor.
No, that's not a camshaft. Camshafts, dude, come on, man. Yeah, think about what you're saying.
The
What is,
camshaft,
look, in order to know what a sensor do, just look at its locations.
Yeah, I
All right, if this is a cam sensor, it's sitting inside a valve cover. The two cams are in. This is a coolant temp sensor. All right, it's in a galley to where coolant flow, so it measures the temperature of the coolant. It tells the computer.
Okay, that makes sense.
So we gotta get this all coils, of course, the valve cover, these, transfer everything back over here. Then we're going on the car. All right, let's clean up. Do this shit. This place is a mess. Yeah, and you gotta start fender covering these. Yeah, we don't want to jack no customer car up. But. All right, we out.